everyone, it's Shakira. Welcome back to Good Beauty Wellness, and in today's video I want to show you a quick smoothie recipe. I'm using this antioxidant frozen fruit blend that I got from Target. I'm doing about 2 cups of this antioxidant blend, 1 frozen banana and 1 lemon, but in the original recipe I made the other day I used a lime, but I ran out of limes. That is a pitted date. I do recommend you use the lime for the recipe because it just tastes better unless you just prefer one over the other. We're doing hemp seeds, about 2 tablespoons, because you need some fat so that you can absorb the nutrients from all of the ingredients. Next, we're going to do 1 scoop of the Teami Super Greens powder. We're going to do some local bee pollen that I got from California, some non-flavored oat milk, a little bit of water, because once you start blending things, it tends to get kind of stuck in the blender and kind of thick. So we are going to start on the lowest setting and then go to high for a nice, smooth, and creamy blend. And that's my youngest son Gabriel in the background doing his virtual learning. And okay, let's say, okay, Shakira, I need some protein. You can add, that is a vegan protein by Teami. I'm giving away a protein. I'm giving away a green superfood blend, and I'm giving away booty bands. So if you wanted to add protein to the smoothie, you could go ahead and add a scoop of protein. And so I'm topping this off with some goji berries, also high in antioxidants, some chia seeds, and some more of those hemp seeds because I love hemp seeds so much. Like, I put them on applesauce like as a snack, and they're really delicious. And so this is the completed smoothie. Don't forget, there is currently a contest going on. I'm giving away the superfood blend, I am giving away the wellness protein powder, and I'm giving away some booty bands. I will link the original video where I announced the contest and what you need to do in order to enter. Good luck, and thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next video.